Hi, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss a little bit more in depth about the 15,000 steps per day that we were talking about in the previous video. So again, we're not asking you to change your diet or anything else. We're just asking you to get to 15,000 steps. And I know that that's a little difficult. That can be, especially for beginners, because it can seem like a lot. The average person in the United States, regardless of age, takes right around 5,000 steps per day. Now this is averaged all the way from 18 years old all the way up into the 60s. I think 65 was the latest study. The funny thing is as you get older, you tend to start taking more steps per day. They found in one of the studies, 45 to early 50s, a big increase in how much walking people were doing. And a big part of that has to do with, we start recognizing that, oh man, I am really getting out of shape. I'm getting out of breath just walking up these stairs. I need to do something. I need to start exercising. I want to still be able to go outside and do things. And so a lot of people take walking. Walking is a great form of exercise, especially for beginners, to get you going, and you actually can see some really great results from it. So where you see those great results is those 15,000 steps per day. If you can get 10,000, that's really good too. That you're way above the average then. Like I said, the average is only 5,000 steps per day. So depending on your fitness level and how much of a real beginner you are, I would say if you can't meet the 15,000 steps right now, shoot for 5,000 steps. Get 5,000 steps every day for 4 days. After the first week that you're able to do that, the following week, bump it up to 8,000 steps for those days. And then keep doing that. Once you reach that anywhere from 10, 15,000 steps per day, you're going to start noticing a big change. Not just in your physical body, but also how you feel. You're actually going to start feeling like you have more energy. Now, one word of caution. I know some people, and I was one of these guys that did this when I first started, is I threw myself full bore right into it. Now you could literally walk 15,000 steps every single day, 7 days a week, and you would see incredible results. Now, what's going to happen is your body is going to plan a revolution against you. It's going to tell you that you're tired and that you need to rest and that you need to crash and burn. Now, here's the thing, is if you muscle through it and just keep pushing and keep doing this every single day, your body actually will adapt to it. And you will see some phenomenal results. But I'm not telling you to do this every single day. If you want to walk every day and create this as a habit, I would say do 8,000 to 10,000 steps every single day and then see how you feel. Now, this doesn't mean that just because you're exercising more and you're getting all these steps in and you actually will start seeing some weight results and your body's composition start changing a little bit, that doesn't mean you go out and eat more. This is all given the same idea of you're eating the same amount of food and you try to get your food calories to your actual maintenance level. And we're going to do this over time. I'm not asking you to change your diet right now or anything, or even try to do your maintenance calories. Just don't eat in excess and don't add more food to what you're already eating. You want to start seeing some results, and you want to start seeing that nice reinforcement that all of a sudden your knees feel better from walking. You have a little bit more mobility. You're able to get up out of that chair without pushing yourself up with your arms. You just, want to see this positive reinforcement. And so let's do this first. If you can't get the 15,000 steps, go with 5,000. Do that for 1 week. Do it 4 days per week minimum. And then the following week, bump it up to 8,000 and just keep doing that. But again, you cannot increase your calorie intake. And also, some people need to think about this too. One of the other aspects of your calorie intake, I know a lot of people that will like, oh, I'm going to eat a bunch of fruits and stuff, and they're healthy for you. Yes, fruits are healthy for you to a certain extent. You have to remember, fruits contain a major source of sugar. It's all natural sugar, but it's still sugar. Your body's going to treat it the same exact way as if you're taking in processed sugar. It doesn't matter if it's brown sugar, it doesn't matter how it works. It's all just sugar. Even if it's from an orange or a lemon or a grapefruit, it's still sugar. Honey is also treated as sugar too. So your body can easily take that in and turn it into fat. It's excess calories. So you can eat it, just not in excess. That's the key here, not in excess. So I hope that helps a little bit. And it might even help you too, is if you keep a chart, write down what day you walked, how far you walked, how many steps you walked. There's some conversion charts online too that you can use to convert miles or kilometers into steps. Now that's an average thing. It's very generalized, so it's not going to be accurate for each individual. But if you don't have a way to count your steps, not able to carry your phone on you, or have a smart watch or something that records your steps, that's another way to do it. But you can also change your route. Me personally, I prefer walking outside than going into a gym and walking on a treadmill. I've done both. My preference is outside, walking around. It actually seems to be a little bit more difficult for me to walk around outside than on a treadmill. I get more out of it. So, but whatever helps, even if you need to start making maybe a walking partner to go with you. You guys can talk and have some fun while you walk together, and help keep each other accountable that way too, and work towards a common goal. And what we're trying to do here is I'd love to try to build a nice supportive community with all the viewers and everybody that's watching this, subscribers or not, and join together to try to support each other and prove that we're not in this alone and that we're going to do this together. So stay tuned for the next video. We're going to go over in the next one about more of the mobility tests that are available to do to gauge your actual true physical age and if they actually work. So again, still new here. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you in the next one.